It's a couple days past Christmas, which means my finale for this project is a couple days overdue, which if you see the amount of videos I'm about to put up in the next couple of days, you'd realize that all my updates and finales are a little bit overdue. Yeah, there's no beating around the bush on that one. So essentially about 3.5 weeks ago, I picked a bunch of what I thought were like festive colored products that I had to try and do one last push for 365 days of samples and just put some festive coloredness in my life. I think it was more really to use up the products, but I used up majority of them. I do have a couple of leftover ones, starting with the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Dazed. I did use this, not nearly as much as I thought I would. Actually, that is not too bad. I'm trying to make a quick little mark on there. So that's what my pencil looks like. And this is actually how much, the black line is where we started and that red little dot is where we are now. I'm actually surprised. I didn't think I used that much. Go team. Yeah, I'm actually happy with that. I didn't think I used that much. I just said that and you were probably like, okay, move on now. Yeah. So I love the smell of that one. You can definitely still tell it's starting to go a little bit. So hopefully I can get a little bit more out of it before it decides that it's time to get rid of it. Next we have our oh so fancy eau de Perfumee, the Vert, aka our Bvlgari shower shampooing. Wow, I was trying to read the French and it got really bad. The shampoo and shower gel gone. So I knew we were going to be able to get through that one. So I have my recycle down here that we're just going to toss that in. Would never buy that, and not because it's fancy and overpriced, but it's very perfumey, very. I don't want that. I don't need that in my life. But then moving on, oh no, I guess we can go through this. I didn't touch these two. These are the, oh crap, what is this? I threw out the thingy. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar eyeshadow stick colors. Yes, I didn't touch Amethyst and I didn't touch Tuxedo. I did try Moonlight a little while ago, and I do have to say I like the colors. I kind of like the consistency. As you can see, there's still some in here that I'm hoping to use up. I'm going to classify it as done because I'm pretty sure it's actually dried up though. But you have to set these. You definitely cannot use them on your own or else they start creasing in your eye creases within like 2 minutes of putting them on. So nice, not a standalone product, and quite honestly, if I can't use this as a standalone product, I would not buy them. So I'm gonna have fun trying to use these up, but yeah, would not purchase. Now into the fun part of this. I used up a bunch of samples. So I have my two K-Pac Color Theory Luster Lock Instant Shine and Re.Pair treatments from Joico. Nope, still don't like these. I went from cutting the one package down to using getting like 4 uses out of the one package, and then the other one I went as far as using like smaller than the amount I would use of regular conditioner, and it still left a residue in my hair. So needless to say, it became shaving cream. So I had some very luxurious and reparative shave cream for the past little while, but it's gone and I'm happy about that. We have the Origins Plantscription Powerful Lifting Cream. I wouldn't buy this, and I'm not sure how to describe it, but when I first smelt it, I thought I liked the fragrance of it. I thought it reminded me of something, and I'm like, oh, this is nice. And then literally I went to go smell it again and I was like, holy crap, this is perfumated. So I'm not sure what happened, but this literally changed scent within like 5 seconds. And I didn't like it. And on my skin, it wasn't anything special. It just felt like a rich moisturizer. So it was weird, and I wouldn't recommend it. But one I would recommend, and one that I use like a shit ton of. Initially I put 3 of them in here and we got all these. So this is the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Nightly Repair Mask. Absolutely love it. We got 7. I used 7. So that was a good push for samples. I'll have my current status down below. I don't know why that came out so slowly, but yeah, I'm excited to have used that many samples. I'm not happy that I have the other 2 eyeshadow sticks in foiled packages still left over, but it is what it is. Happy about my progress on that lipstick. I'm actually quite surprised, and happy to have that shower gel out of my closet, out of my collection. Words are not coming with me. That was also not a real sentence. I'm just gonna go. Thanks for checking in. Love you guys. Bye.